They got the VIP section.
What? Does that mean I have to sleep in the back? Are you gonna sleep? Yeah. I'm sure that was comfortable all night long. Buenas noches.
Buenas
tardes. Buenas tardes. We're excited.
Yeah.
You ready?
They got prime seats. They got the VIP section.
What? Does that mean I have to sit in the back? We're heading out. Look at this. Sitting in the chair. Got my kids up on the side. She got her new blanket. This is like the real experience here. Out on this glassy water. All right, guys. What do we see? Where they go? What do we see? Oh, there we go.
Hey, there's 6 feet.
All right, we are having so much fun on our awesome sunset cruise. I think we should extend it a whole lot. Captain Oscar can handle us. Do you think you can handle us for 24 hours?
24 hours.
You got enough limes?
I don't think I have enough limes. Uh-oh. That might be a problem.
You're gonna have to cruise us around all night and all morning.
Well, look, I tell you what. I take the bed downstairs, so the rest of you can.
What?
We get the net?
Yeah.
You get prime seat on the net. I do warn you, it puts you to bed like that. I don't know how, but that's what it does to you. So.
Okay, we're gonna do a little tour on the boat and we're going to check out all the places that we can sleep. I don't know about the net for the little kids. I don't want them falling off. What do you think, Pedro? Can you handle us?
24 hours? Yeah. 24 hours. We're gonna go for 24 hours.
Never going home.
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, over here we got all the supplies. And we got some bed space over here. This could work. Where's the bathroom, Cora?
I'll show you. Come up here.
Oh, okay. Oh, we got pictures. We got Bob Marley. Oh, there's Shay. What's in here?
And this is...
Oh, is this the bed?
You can look out there. He made lots of cool stuff.
It's very cool. Okay. Oh.
Somebody.
So here's the bathroom.
And there's the shower.
That's a shower.
Here's the thing that you can lay on.
That's the net.
Well, it's the net and you can lay on it.
Kind of like a hammock, huh?
Yeah. Like you can stand on it and that's all.
All right, here's our dinner snacks. We got chips, we got carrots, we got drinks. What are you eating for your dinner? Soda. Evie, what have you eaten for your dinner?
Chips.
What was for your dinner?
I'm so surprised.
Hummus.
Hummus and carrots?
Nope, just hummus.
All right, for our evening entertainment, we will do the talent show. Cora, you are first. Come over here for her entertainment. Our entertainment. So what are you doing?
Yoga.
Oh, yoga. She's gonna do yoga. Okay, go for it. Oh, she almost got split. Okay, bow. You are done. Oh.
That's a weird sound.
Okay, Evie is up next for her entertainment. Whoa, they're doing a skit. This is funny. Okay.
Oh, what are you doing? Sitting on an invisible bench. Can I join you? Sure. Oh, what are you doing? Invisible bench? The invisible bench is over there. Oh. We are going to do the tree.
The tree pose. Thank you. Thank you very much. Woo! Here comes Clay in her poncho blanket.
They say that this net will make me fall asleep, but I don't believe it. What? I never fell asleep.
Nice. Okay, Wyatt.
Invisible piano.
Evie and Cora.
Invisible piano.
Ta-da! Dance party!
Come on, groove it on. I said, baby, I know you're on
starting to get a little dark. So I think we're gonna have, Evie, you getting tired? Yeah, it's almost bedtime. All right, let's find ourselves a bed. Are you gonna sleep here? Okay, bedtime. Is this where you're gonna go to bed? Shane, why are you gonna sleep over here? Corey's gonna sleep up here. Dad will have to get them some ponchos. I think we'll move them later. Shh. All right, Dad.
I'll move them up there because I'm freaking out that they're gonna roll in. So we'll move them down underneath into the master.
Yeah, whatever. I'm sleeping down there. Clay and Raquel are gonna cuddle all night long. All night long. Okay, the sun's going down. It's bedtime. So we're gonna sleep?
Yep.
Good night, Evie.
Breakfast right here.
You got your chips ready to go? Oh, are you okay? Shh, you're being too loud.
Wyatt's getting close to the edge. Let's move him down on a bed somewhere.
Okay. Oh, this boy gets a deluxe bed here on the boat. All right, I think they're out. Okay, where are we gonna sleep?
Captain, where's our quarters?
I guess downstairs.
Yeah.
All right.
Do you want me to carry you into the threshold?
I don't know. I think you'll drop me down there.
Wait. Can I do? What movie is this from? Are you ready? Do you trust me?
What is that from?
Do you trust me?
What is that from?
Aladdin!
Oh, I thought Aladdin, but I thought you meant like a more modern movie.
Okay, here comes Mama.
Into. Oh. Did you want a wheel?
Oh, Captain, my Captain. Bushwink. All right. Oh, I'm so tired.
Me too.
This is awesome.
I think sleeping on a boat is gonna be really comfortable.
Yeah, me too.
Swaying to the water.
Oh yeah, it's like rocking me to sleep like a little baby.
Little baby. Okay, good night, guys.
Bye.
A few moments later.
This boat makes so many weird noises. It sounded like a whale was underneath us. You could like hear.
2 hours later.
Okay. There's light coming out of that hole. So it must be Esmore. And I hear a couple kids' feet going, so let's go check it out. All right, time to get smoothies for the kids.
Wow, I don't know what time it is. It's morning and it's sunny. All right, let's go see. Wake the kids up for breakfast. Pedro, did you stay awake the whole night?
Yeah.
He does a good job.
He's my autopilot.
go and sleep. Put on the wheel!
Oh, yes, see that? Foot on the wheel. Gentlemen are awake because
Yes.
I never wake up early, ever.
We slept like geishas.
Like geishas.
You know how they slept? They slept
No.
like this. So geisha, they use these little blocks. Their hair's perfect.
yeah.
And they put them in the back like that so they can't mess up their
Do
hair.
not mess up the hair because you know what
My
happens
hair.
when you sleep like
Yes.
this.
Yes.
That's what happens.
I got the...
Good morning. We slept all night out on this beautiful ocean. Look how nice that is. We're gonna wake up the kids now. Looks like Raquel slept on top of Clay. I'm sure that was comfortable all night long. Evie, time to wake up. Wyatt looks like he threw his stuff to the side. These kids are, girls, come on, it's time to wake up. These guys survived the night. Let's go see what they're making for breakfast. The best part about these adventures are the cuddles I get. You see this? Wyatt's my cuddler, and Evie wants to snuggle. We've had so much fun. Did you enjoy seeing the
Yep.
animals?
I loved it.
Yeah, that was cool.
Yeah, we go.
Evie loved the dolphins. This is how we start our morning. We're gonna do some exercises before we head back to the dock. We've had a long sail. How was the night seas?
You know what? I'm gonna lie to you guys. I slept the whole time. I slept on here the whole time. Yeah. But the cool thing about it is I always have people ask me and say, you have autopilot? Yes, here, hold the wheel.
This is our autopilot.
Autopilot.
Pedro, are you ready for morning exercises?
No.
No?
Too full.
Uh-oh. Dad against Pedro. Let's see who can do this. Oh! Pedro, he won!
He represents, yes.
Oh, good job, Dad.
Nice Stop.
It's time for kid exercises. Ready?
Me against Wyatt push.
Okay, Evie against Wyatt in push-up. Here we go, Evie versus Wyatt. Who's gonna win? Go. Oh, Wyatt barely. Oh.
Hey, that was impressive.
Evie, you killed it.
I'll challenge Corey to a splits contest.
Who can go lower? I think they might be tied. This is a hard one. All right, Raquel versus Shay in our push-up contest for start our day off. Raquel got 15.
16.
Oh, snap. You slipped, though. You ended first. I think it's a tie. All right, we'll be pulling up at the dock real soon. We have enjoyed our 24 hours on this awesome boat, and we want to thank Del Mar Charters. Captain Oscar was the best, and we want to thank First Officer Pedro and his skills.
Yes.
Okay, we enjoyed our time on the boat. Did you have fun? All right, this was a fun 24 hours. This one was really awesome. Comment down below what other 24 hours we should do or where we should go next. I'm thinking maybe we do it in some really crazy place next, or maybe in our van, sleep overnight in our van. That would be really fun, huh? In our car. All right, thanks for hanging out, everybody.
Mahalo.
Peace out.
Bye. Mahalo.
You can say it too.
Hello, yeah.
Mahalo.
Если ты все еще дышишь, значит включи заново. Чтобы звучала более пышно, пока адреналин не выжмет из тебя вышку. Пока децибелы не станут прожигать лампочки вспышками. Если лимиты превышены, то один эффект. Иди эффектом фемик, лови эффект и пихай. Наш диалект способен поломать твои извилины. Без стиля, без усилий, мы лишь вирус на любом носителе. И мы всего лишь 25-й кадр твоего слуха гипнотизируем. Ведь разум подчиняется звукам. И эта мания подобна настоящей магии, кто разрывает от начала до конца твое сознание.
One.